Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video you're going to watch me slay and apply this 6x6 Celine wig on my client's head. I haven't even added the band yet. Okay. I'm just going to the video. Okay. Is it down?
Yeah.
Alright. You can let go. You can even leave your hair and comb it over.
That's beautiful. I know what dear, this is the right thickness. Anything more is too much for my face.
Yeah, it's the texture.
Yeah, because my face is small too, so too much here is too much. This is just the right thickness for my face.
Correct.
Perfect.
As you can see in this section of the video, I am applying the contour to blend in properly with her skin tone, although the lace tint matched perfect. But in this area, you want it to give it a nice lift. So this was the perfect method to do so. And as you can see, it is blending very well. So this is what you would like to do.
Wear after with my hair?
Yes, you certainly can. I love you. I love my clients, okay? I do not play. Could not quite remember what she said here, but as you can see, she was really excited and thrilled. Shout out to Tati, shout out to Janelle, and shout out to Moni. Putting y'all three creativities together in one plus what I already knew. Oh, nailed it. Once again.
Thank you, everybody.
So then I don't even have to roller set your hair today. I can just braid it down. Do like 6 braids, doing that. Yeah, right on the skin. Boom. Yes, ma'am. Richard gonna be like, oh, look at my black Barbie, my black Indian Barbie. You guys see it? This is before the actual installation and braid down. Yes. Glueless closure, 6x6. Who next? Let's go. All right. Nice. You're welcome. All right, guys, gotta get to work. She said this is my best one yet. Advanced classes will do it for you. This is her last braid. And of course, you want to massage the oil into the scalp. This helps ensure that the scalp is moisturized while wearing the protective wig styles and to promote healthy growing hair. Add heavily flavors. Oil smells good. It's nice and thick and rich. Massaging the oils into the scalp and follicle helps moisturize the scalp and keeps the hair healthy, nourished, and promotes hair growth. Don't just do your client's hair care. That's more important. You want to massage the oil into the scalp. This helps stimulate the hair follicle all while wearing the protective wig style. We're going to crochet the end of the braid. Proceed here. So you'll pull down. Let me know if it hurts or not. You want to open in between. Right in between the wefts. Poke it right through the...
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, wow.
Now it's going to be real secure. I highly recommend that you purchase the long hairpins versus applying the hair combs to the wig, only because it causes thinning and breakage, and with the hairpins it's more secure.
I love that it has no baby hairs.
Right.
It's so natural.
Yeah, I know you're not too much of a fan of them.
That's another mistake.
Pull it on the braid?
Yes, I do. Be
mindful to not stretch the cap too much, but you want to pull it as close to the front of your hairline, but behind the braid, and poke directly onto the dome mesh cap, not the actual frontal or closure. and then one on each side at the bottom. And that's exactly how you do to get up and go.
So the bottom is, oh, I
Yeah.
see. I see, okay.
You see I have that braid at the very bottom? That's your foundation.
I see.
Foundation braids, meaning your anchor braid or perimeter braids, or even the second braid. But either choice you choose, you want to make sure that's where you apply the hairpin. Now you feel extra secure. You got the band and the pins.
Yes.
I assure you, with proper placement of the long hairpins, this wig will not move, nor will it shift. Now it leaves even flatter since it's been braided.
Yes, for sure. Oh, that's not going anywhere.
At all.
Oh, no. This is going through a hurricane, for sure. Oh, my goodness. Ah! This is not moving.
Get your wax stick, a little tab, don't much, followed by the hot comb. The hot comb causes the hair to lay flatter and doesn't over direct. This is the Celine wig, you guys. Say hello to Celine. I'm gonna go over the curl one more time. This time I add a little soft spritz by Design Essentials. Hair was pre-curled, but now I'm gonna add the Design Essentials formation. See that? Design Essentials. This product is lightweight, gives body and shine, and doesn't flake, nor does it make it sticky. You do your curls as big or as small. I am using the 1 1/4 inch barrel curling iron. Thank you. Just the peppermint in your hair too?
Yeah, I know.
You feeling tingling?
No, it feels great. It feels, like, you know, feel the warmth.
You're right.
The warmth of it. Yeah.
It feels clean.
Yeah. Really good.
So, inquiring on the oil, and so far she's loving how it's stimulating her scalp. So how you got creative with the names? I'm like, Allison's name starts with H. Where she get these trees from? How you doing? I didn't see that with you. Hi, little friend. How are you? Sorry, you guys. I was supposed to edit this part. Look at the shine in the hair. And I have not applied any oils to the hair. I tend to not apply any oils. But look at the great shine. Look at the body volume.
This is just the right weight. I mean, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The tint is fantastic. The shine.
Yes, ma'am.
It's so natural looking. It's unreal.
The finishing touches by Lavish Touches, thread by Lavish.
Okay, guys, who's next? Who's next? Say hello to Celine.
That's right. Hey, Celine. Her third wig, y'all. Her third wig. All right. Deuces. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.